Hi, uh, I'm going to configure this Liftmaster fob with the garage door. So to configure this fob, I have to push it here. Then the red LED will come up here. Then I will press the lean button. Then click which button I want to assign. Okay, I'm going to do step by step. Keep watching. First, I'm going to press here. Yeah, the red LED is open. Now I'm going to press this button. One, yeah, the lead is on. Now I will press the button. Yeah, it's click light off. Now I will click the other button to light off for the fob. Yeah, now it configure. Now I will test it. Okay, click. Click. Yeah, that's it.